Chapter 1. Plants World. Plants are important to us. They produce all food that animals, including humans, eat. Even meat is obtained due to the presence of plants. The animals that give us meat, such as chickens and goats, eat grass, leaves or some other parts of the plant. If they do not eat plants, they will die. So all the food that we eat comes from plants. Plants also give us fresh air, shelter, fuel, medicine, and many other things. Plants have leaves. Different plants have different types of leaves. Most leaves are flat, broad, or blade-like. They may also be present in many other shapes, including round, oval, or feathery. In size, leaves range from several millimeters to 15 to 18 meters long, as in some palm trees. Different leaves have different colors. Green leaves derive their color from a green pigment, chlorophyll. The presence of additional pigments causes other leaf colors, such as red in colliers and purple in cabbage. Parts of a leaf. There are three main parts of a leaf. The base. It is the point at which the leaf is joined to the stem. The stalk or petiole. It is the thin section joining the base to the lamina. It is generally cylindrical or semicircular in form. The lamina or leaf plate. It is the broad, flat part of the leaf. Food making process occurs in the blade. Leaf blade has a mid-vein or midrib and many side veins. Veins carry food and water in leaf. They also support the blade, much like the metal ribs that support the fabric of umbrella. The outer surface of the leaf has many tiny pores. These openings are called stomata. These stomata enable the carbon dioxide to enter and the oxygen to leave the leaf. A leaf has many stomata. However, these pores are so small that they make less than 1% of the leaf surface. Functions of a leaf. A leaf performs the following functions. Green leaves make their own food for the plant. Leaves breathe air in and out through stomata. Leaf veins supply every part of the blade with water and food, such as spinach, mint, and cabbage. Some leaves store food so they can be eaten raw. Some leaves such as tulsi and neem are used to treat cold and skin diseases. Food making process. Leaves provide plants with all their food as they turn sunlight into food energy. Chlorophyll makes this energy transformation possible. Leaves also make the oxygen in the air that we breathe in. Chlorophyll is a pigment found in the cells of leaves, which is activated in the presence of light and is the substance that colors the plant green. Chlorophyll is contained in leaves and has the property of capturing light energy. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make sugar from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Sunlight enters through the top of the leaf and reaches the next layer of cells. The light energy is trapped by the chlorophyll. In the leaves, a process that uses water changes the light energy into a kind of chemical energy. This chemical energy is stored in the leaves. Fact 5. Without chlorophyll, a plant would not be able to make the food. Chlorophyll is a green pigment in green plants. The leaves use the solar energy to make food. Air enters the leaf through the stomata and moves into tiny spaces around the food-making cells in the leaf. Carbon dioxide from the air passes through the cell walls and membranes of the cells. Carbon dioxide enters the food-making cells where the previously stored chemical energy converts the carbon dioxide into sugar. Tubes in the plant carry sugar from the leaf cells to other parts of the plant, such as roots, stems, and fruits. Cells in these parts of the tree store some of the sugar. Roots. Roots are the underground part of a plant. There are many types of roots. Taproots are large and fleshy in appearance. They grow deep into the ground to search for food. They are able to store food, which is particularly necessary for perennial plants during periods of dormancy. Fibrous roots lie close to the surface of the soil. They collect precipitation before it sinks deep into the ground. They can often be found growing side by side with taproots. Adventitious roots are those accessory roots which arise from any part of the plant but not the body root. They develop to help the plants climb. They help in developing modified underground stems such as buds. Aerial roots grow out of the branches of huge trees. They grow towards the soil and support the tree. For example, aerial roots of banyan tree. Fact 5. The largest single flower in the world is Rafflesia. It can grow up to 3 feet in diameter. Functions of roots. The major functions of roots are 1. To provide plants firm grip in soil. 2. Storage of energy resources such as the carrot and sugar beet. 3. Absorption of water and minerals from the soil. 4. Induction of water and minerals to and from the shoot. The roots store the food energy resource of the plant. The food is either used by the roots themselves or digested, and the products of digestion are transported back up through the phloem to the above ground portions of the plant. Uses of plants. People grow plants in and around their homes. These are called domestic plants. The tulsi plant, African violet, rubber plant, money plant and cactus are examples of domestic plants. In villages, people plant many trees like neem and banyan around their houses. Neem trees purify the air. Their leaves and bark are used to make. The bark and seeds of banyan trees are used as a tonic to cool the body and treat diabetes. Mint, coriander and curry plants are grown in the kitchen garden. Jasmine plant and rose plant are also planted in the veranda to spread fragrance all around. Mango, guava, banana, jamun and papaya are also planted around the house. In a nutshell, trees give us fresh air, shelter, fuel, medicines, and many other things. Green leaves derive their color from a green pigment chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make sugar from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. The plants grown by people around their houses are called domestic plants.